Okay, let's take a look at our problem. We have an exponential distribution with mean 13 seconds, and we're going to calculate these three probabilities. So if you're not familiar with the question, just pause it there. So these three probabilities. Now let's take a look. First at the probability distribution, an exponential. So it looks like that. That's the PDF. And it's 1 over 13, 1 over the mean, times e to the minus x over the mean. Okay, so there's the PDF, and we need the CDF. Right. So that's the probability that the random variable is less than some value x. All right. And the way we get it is by integrating PDF. Another way to think about it is the probability is the area under the curve. All right. So this is the CDF, and this is what we're going to use to calculate the probabilities. Okay, so we go through the integration, and you should do this on paper. Just verify my work. All right. And e to the x is a pretty easy thing to deal with. Okay, so there is our CDF, and we're just going to use that to calculate our probabilities now. Okay, first one, x less than 12. So we just plug 12 into the CDF. Okay. The probability is equal to the area under the curve from 0 to 12. We've already done the integration, so we just put 12 into the CDF, like so. And there's your probability. Okay, next one, very similar. Probability that x is less than 6. Plug in 6 to the CDF. It's the area there from 0 to 6. Of course, we expect it to be less than the previous one. All right. Again, it's calculation. There's your probability. Okay, the next one is a little bit of a twist. We want probability that x is greater than 30. So greater than, let's just pause. Our CDF is specifically for calculating values from 0 to whatever, to x, right? 0 to x. This is greater than. So I can take the total probability, which is 1, and subtract the probability that it's less than 30. Okay, so that would be all the area to the left. If I take 1 minus that, I'm left with what we are looking for, which is that area. Okay, so 1 minus the probability that x is less than 30. And we just calculate that, and we get that small probability as expected. All right, so that's how to calculate probabilities on an exponential distribution.